Hello everyone! In this video, I'll guide you step by step on how to fix the awaiting endpoint error on Discord quickly and easily. First, check your internet connection and make sure it's stable, because this error usually happens due to network issues. Try switching between Wi-Fi and mobile data to see if that fixes the problem. Next, restart the Discord app completely and reopen it, or log out and log back into your account. If you're on desktop, you can also clear Discord cache by closing the app and deleting cache files from the app data folder. Another quick fix is to change your voice region in the server settings if you're trying to join a voice channel. You should also disable any VPN temporarily, as it can interfere with Discord connections. Finally, check Discord server status online, because sometimes the issue is on their side and you just need to wait until it's resolved. Subscribe the channel for more videos.